In this video, I'll show you how to export products from your Shopify store. This is useful if you want to back up your products, edit them in a spreadsheet, or move product data somewhere else. First, log into your Shopify admin, then from the left-hand menu, click on Products. This will open your product list. I've only got one because it's just a test store, but you may have hundreds, thousands, or even just a few. So what you can do is you can select individual ones if there's only a couple you want to export, and then click Export, and it will say how many you've got selected. If you just want to do all of them, leave it blank, export, all products, keep it as CSV for Excel because then you can use it in Google Sheets, Excel, etc. And then just click Export. Depending on how many products you have, it can either take a little while or it can come through straight away, but you'll get an email from Shopify to the email address that you've got saved in the store, and that will have your CSV in it. And that's it. Just remember, if you edit the CSV and import it back in later, be careful you don't make any changes to important columns unless you know what they do. You can bulk update things and put it back in, but just be careful. If you're just exporting and going to another store, anything like that, this is the best way to do it. So thanks, I hope this helps.